Welcome back Behind the Stick, everybody. I'm Chris Payne, the Digital Bartender, and I've got a little bit different style video for you today. Typically, I offer you some bar quality pro recipes that the home bartender can execute. But today, we are going to do a little something different. This is going to be a review video, and specifically a bespoke post review unboxing video. My wife recently got me a bespoke post box as a gift for Father's Day, so let's get into it and see what we've got. It comes in this really cool box here. It's got the nice bespoke post label on the side, so you know exactly what it is when it arrives. Okay, let's see how this thing opens up. All right, there we go. So, right when you open it up, you have some information cards on top here. We have the picture of, and it looks like a really cool decanter, possibly this knife, and then it lists all the different items here. So we've got, get ready for a batch of delicious gin, the homemade gin kit. Okay, I got you. So this is a how to make gin at home gin kit, and it comes with this decanter and possibly some other gin making goodies, so let's get into the box and see what we have. Alright, where to start? This looks like just some filler, so we'll get rid of that. We got it over here. Okay, right, so this was that little knife we saw in the picture, citrus knife. I think I'm going to like this a whole lot. You've got a little serrated edge right here, and it's got the nice curve point, so you can put some really cool designs on your garnish, and just kind of a great little utility knife. I like the wood grain handle as well. Let's see what else. Looks like we've got two of whatever this is. Okay, a pair of these. Okay, these are Collins glasses. Awesome. So, yeah, classic gin friendly glasses, the Collins glass. Super cool shape, just kind of really sleek and sexy. I like those a lot. We'll put these down here. All right, so what we've got here, we've got a bottle of premium tonic syrup. Okay, I'm starting to kind of get a picture of where this is going. We've got this big guy here, and this is the homemade gin kit itself. Alright, I think that's everything in this box, so let's get rid of that. Put this guy down. Alright, so, ooh, check this, is super sweet. So this is a little silicone mold for the Collins glass. It's gonna make sleek, long, sexy ice cubes that'll fit just perfectly in our Collins glass, so that's awesome. All right, we've got a tea strainer. We've got a funnel. This looks like botanicals. These look like juniper berries, and a little botanical blend mix to make our gin. And then this is going to be that decanter that we saw. Awesome. For our finished product. So basically what gin is a infusion of juniper berries, and then every gin distiller has their own proprietary botanical blend. It's a maceration they create, and there's a process of taking a neutral spirit, often vodka, and infusing it with the juniper berries and botanicals for a specific period of time, and then that creates the gin. You strain everything out, all the little botanicals and the juniper berries back out, and you end up with a beautiful gin. And so that's what this kit is, and that's what we're going to do. So yeah, I think my next video we're going to create the ultimate gin and tonic right? So we've got everything we need to make our house prepared homemade gin, and we've got some beautiful tonic syrup so we can make our own tonic water. And so that's what we're going to do, make our own gin, make our own tonic, and we'll make the ultimate gin and tonic. So be on the lookout for that video. As far as the subscription box itself goes, I think it's beautifully curated. It came really smartly packaged. I think it's super high quality ingredients. Choices that they got for the products. This is really nice, sturdy, heavy glass. The stopper fits it really nice and snug, so you know that'll keep airtight and preserve whatever you decide to store in there. This Liber & Co. I'm familiar with. This is a super premium grade tonic syrup. And then, you know, it's nice to have extra tools. I've got a strainer, but it's always nice to have a backup. This is a little different size mesh weave as well, so that's, you know, something I might need a little larger, not quite as fine as that particular strain, so that could help out. And then the funnels, you know, this is a tiny little funnel for fitting in places like this. I like it. It's cool. I'll, like I said, be on the lookout for that next gin and tonic, ultimate gin and tonic video, where I guess we'll start out, we'll make our gin and get our ice cubes frozen and go from there. So, all right, this is Chris Payne, the Digital Bartender. This has been the Bespoke Post unboxing and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.